All right, my friends, we are on our fifth sense out of 5 senses. Today we are going to be learning about our sense of, you guessed it, sight. This story is by Karen Jones. Our bodies help us learn and explore the world all around us. We see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. These are called our senses, and we have 5. Scientists use their senses when they do experiments. They need to watch, listen, touch, smell, and sometimes taste to figure out an answer to their question. Sight is one of our 5 senses. Do you know what part of our body we use to see things? I just gave you a little hint. That's right! Our eyes. We use our eyes to see the world around us. Wow. Our eyes need light to see. Close your eyes tight, tight, tight. Can you see anything? Now crack them open and let a tiny bit of light come in. Can you see now? Now open them all the way as big as you can get them. More light allows us to see better. How does our sense of sight work? Your eyes are like a camera. They take a picture and send a message to your brain. Your brain tells you what you are seeing. That is so cool. Our sense of sight allows us to see many different things. We can see colors. We can see different sizes and different shapes. We can see things close up. We can see things far away. Think about how your life would be different if you did not have your sense of sight. Our sense of sight is very important. How do we use our sense of sight? Now we get to do a seesaw activity together. I can't wait, little scientists.